Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
It's 2024, and the affiliate marketing world is evolving faster than ever. As artificial intelligence bursts to the forefront, more and more affiliates are starting to earn serious income online. This is a big technology shift that most people won't recognize until it's too late. And it's a fresh start for anyone who's been left out of the affiliate game until now. My name is Jim Daniels, and I'd like to help you take advantage of this massive opportunity. I've been making my living testing and recommending digital affiliate products for decades. On this page, you'll find the 2024 edition of my Affiliate Marketer's Master File. If you're ready to start growing your own commission machine, this file will give you a head start. You'll get my directory of the top 50 products and services I've been earning commissions from, along with the rights to use all the promotional material I created. This is the file I use to earn my living online, and you can have access to it all today. This year, I'm also including my updated buyers list method, showing you exactly how I get traffic to my affiliate links. Timing is everything, and this technology shift is the perfect time to reset your affiliate marketing game. Plug this into your business and let me help you start growing something substantial online. Let's work together and make 2024 your breakthrough year.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.